Welcome to No Nonsense Airbnb. If you're managing multiple listings like me, having an internal name to each listing to identify which property it is for is very handy. Like you can see here, this is the title that is visible to people when they're looking at my listing. And this is an internal name which is only visible to me. And it comes really handy when you're responding to inquiries so you know which property it is for, because you will see this internal name everywhere when you're reading a message from a guest on your phone or from the desktop. And by default, internal name field is not visible on your listing. And in this video, I will show you how you can enable that option. To enable the internal name option, you need to go into your account settings by clicking on your profile image on the right hand side and then go to account. And then you need to go into professional hosting tools. In there, you will see company. Click on this manage option. And the first option you will see is use professional tools. You just need to click on this button once. And once the professional tools have been enabled and you go back to your listing, you will see the internal name there. And then you can write the name, which makes it easier for you to manage a listing. I hope you find this video useful. Please do like and subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment if you would like me to make a video about something which is troubling you. Until next time, bye-bye.